Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 23rd shloka of the Hayagriva Stotram and understand its meaning. First, let us see it word by word. Sanchintayami pratibha dashasthan sandhukshayantam samaya pradipan vigyana kalpadruma pallavabham vyakhyana mudra madhurang karante. Sanchintayami pratibhadashasthan Sanchintayami pratibhadashasthan sandhukshayantam samaya pradipan sandhukshayantam samaya pradipan vigyanakalpadrumapallavabham vigyanakalpadrumapallavabham vyakhyana-mudra madhurang karante vyakhyana-mudra madhurang karante. Sanchintayami pratibhadashasthan sandhukshayantam samaya pradipan vigyanakalpadrumapallavabham vyakhyana-mudra madhurang karante. In the shlokams 23 to 25, Acharya Vedanta Desikar shifts his attention to the right and left hands of Swami Hayagriva. The upper right and left hands of the Lord are adorned with the Sudarshana Chakram and the conch Panchajanyam. The right lower hand holds the Upadesha Mudra and the garland of beads, the Japamala. The left lower hand holds a book while embracing Mahalakshmi. Now let us see the meaning of this verse. Sanchintayami, I think deeply about. Te vyakhyana mudra madhuram karam. Karam means hand. The hand is described as madhuram karam, the sweet hand of yours. What does it hold? The vyakhyana mudra. Vigyana kalpadruma pallavabham. This hand appears with the abha or the effulgence of the tender branch of the kalpaka vriksha tree. What does it do? Pratibha dashasthan samaya pradipan sandhukshayantam vigyanakalpadrumapallavabham. This means it lights the wick of jnana in the lamp of samaya, or the meaning of the Vedas in your bhaktas. It is very easy to know something theoretically. Only by Bhagavan's grace does the lamp of jnana with the wick of knowledge shine within us. Bhagavan's form is like the kalpaka tree that grants all the boons that the bhaktas seek during their intense meditation. I meditate deeply on your sweet and creeper-like tender right hand, the Madhura Pallavabha Hastam, which performs the Jnana Upadesha for your Upasakas. This sweet right hand of the Lord holding the Jnana Mudra pose is beautiful to behold. It is soft like the tender shoot of a Kalpaka tree and is the embodiment of Jnana. It kindles the eternal lamp of Vedic knowledge lit with the wick, the Dashastan, of bright and sharp intellect, Medha. This is the Akhanda Deepa that is nourished and protected by the Lord. The Vyakhyana Mudra specifically is a symbol of the act of Upadesham, of knowledge, by the Lord to His Bhaktas. May we meditate on the Vyakhyana Mudram on the right hand of Swami Hayagriva and pray for the gift of knowledge. Shri Hayagrivam Upasmahe.